Second cell organelle, that is endoplasmic reticulum. It is also called as ER. So questions are there. Let's solve. How many types of pipeline are there in your building or home? What are their function? What will happen if they weren't there? So pipeline carries the water and it provides the water from tank to our tap. So if pipeline is not there, what will happen? Our water consumption or our water क्या बोलेंगे हम, our facility to take water will be stopped, है ना. So likewise pipeline endoplasmic reticulum also done the work of carrying the substances from nucleus to other cell organelles. So let's see more about endoplasmic reticulum. The organelle which conducts various substances inside the cell is called as endoplasmic reticulum. That means endoplasmic reticulum carries certain substances from outside to the nucleus, from nucleus towards the other cell organelles. Endoplasmic reticulum, which is also known as ER, has a net-like structure consisting of interconnected miniature tubes and sheets filled with fluid. Endoplasmic reticulum is connected to nucleus from inner side to the plasma membrane of outer side. So there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. The first one is a rough endoplasmic reticulum, which has ribosomal granules. That means on outer surface it is rough. And second is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So the function, let's see the function of endoplasmic reticulum. The function of endoplasmic reticulum, it is the framework that supports the cell. That means endoplasmic reticulum supports the cell. Second is conduction of proteins. जैसे हमने अभी water line का example just we have seen. It conducts water. Likewise, this endoplasmic reticulum conducts protein. Toxins that have entered in the body through food, air and water are made water soluble by endoplasmic reticulum and then flushed out of the body. So whatever the toxins are produced in the cell are conducted by endoplasmic reticulum and it is thrown out of the cell. So it is thrown out of the body of cell with the help of endoplasmic reticulum. Next is, again questions are there. So what material are used to pack your favorite biscuit and chocolates? So packets are there, isn't it? Second is, what is the function of packing department of a factory? What is the function of packing department? It covers the material and then only it is transported from one place to another place. अब cover क्यों करते हैं? So that that material will not be damaged, है ना? So Golgi complex is also there in our cell. So in that Golgi complex, protein molecule which is produced by nucleus and which is carried by endoplasmic reticulum, then packed by Golgi complex. न्यूक्लियस मध्ये बनलेला प्रोटीन मॉलिक्यूल ट्रान्सपोर्ट झालेला आहे एंडोप्लाझ्मिक रेटिक्युलमच्या मदतीने आणि त्याचं पॅकिंग झालेलं आहे गोल्जी कॉम्प्लेक्समध्ये. सो लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट सेल ऑर्गॅनेल दॅट इज गोल्जी कॉम्प्लेक्स. So Golgi complex, here the structure shown in the figure. Golgi complex is made up of 5 to 8 hollow flat sacs